Hello. In this video, we're going to make this cat for the cat rap that I have composed, which goes like cat, cat, where is the cat? Cat, cat, under the hat. Cat, cat, where is the cat? Cat, cat, it's in the bat. For this end product, the cat, we need 2 pieces of cardboard. One piece can be square and one smaller. We need this for the head of the cat. We need scissors to cut. We need a pen to draw the face of the cat. We need some scotch tape or glue, whichever you want to use. To prepare to make the body of the cat, we need to fold this into 2. Here you go. I will draw an arch in the middle to create the legs of the cat. You can see the arch here. Then I cut along the lines of the arch when the cardboard is folded into 2. So I don't need to worry about the other part of the body. As you can see, the body is ready. It can stand on the legs like this. Now, let's draw the head of the cat. For that, I will draw a circle and 2 ears, which are pointy. And then I will draw the face of the cat, 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Your students can color the head of the cat. If they like, they can also add some skis here. Now, we will cut the face along the lines. If you want to add some color, you can color the nose of the cat and the inner part of the ears. You can use red or pink just to create some color. Now, I need to paste the head to the body. Maybe I can use some glue or some Scotch tape, whichever is easier. I will use some Scotch tape like this, and I also want to paste it in the back as well so that the head will hold. As you can see, our cat is ready. They can sing the chant using their cat. They can hide the cat at home, and then you can say, "Where is the cat?" And they can say, "The cat is under my bed." Hope you and your students enjoy this activity. Have fun. Thank you for watching.